Phthalates. It's everywhere. Yes, it's everywhere. It's in plastic. They wrap your food in it. They store your water in it. It's made in vinyl flooring. It's in the carpet we use. It's in plastic bags that you bury and you do your garbage. It's in your shampoo. It's in your conditioners. It's in everything. Ladies, it's in the makeup that you use. Ladies, females, the level of phthalates found in females is higher than men. Why? Because we're putting makeup on our face and our skin absorbs what we touch, right? Children have levels of phthalate. Why? They're crawling on the floor and they stick their hand in their mouth. And here we are as humans not understanding this. Americans, we don't get it. At some point, somehow, we have to stand up. We have to rise up and tell our manufacturers, stop. Why wrap the food in plastic? I mean, for crying out loud, don't you guys all remember the time that Whole Foods got in trouble because they peeled a banana and wrapped it in plastic and sold it to people and it became national news? Well, what about everything else? Walk down a Target aisle. I challenge you to walk down Target or Walmart. Walk down any aisle and see if you can find any product that's not wrapped in plastic. Hell, they give you plastic bottles and they give it to you in a plastic bag to take home. And what do you think happens? You throw it away in the garbage and they bury it. Since 3 years ago, no one's buying our plastic, ladies and gentlemen. So it's going in the garbage can. It's in your water, bottled water supply. Oh my goodness. So the only thing you can do is you can drink your water. Let me make sure you understand it. We're going to put a link down here. According to a Science Digest, that the only thing that you can do to get it out of your drinking water, which is showing up everywhere, is to use NSF 58 listed reverse osmosis. We sell all reverse osmosis systems. Only a few, which do cost a little more money, are NSF 58 listed, which means they've been proven to take out a lot of these scary contaminants. So remember, you're made of water. Remember, we're made of water. You are 60, 70% water. Your brain is 90% water. You are nothing but a filter and you have to drink half your weight in ounces a day. Demand that your water is phthalate free. If you have any questions, call us at 847-382-7800 or visit us on the web at angelwater.com. We're glad that you stopped by.